Hi guys, Lindsay, and I'm going to do this video right now. So guess what? I just want to let you guys know that it is possible to have two WhatsApp on your Android devices. If you look, you can see there that I currently have WhatsApp here. And guess what? I am going to download another WhatsApp Messenger. You can get WhatsApp Business and you can download this from the Google Play Store. You can also find this on Google if you search for WhatsApp Business APK. So the reality about this app, you can download this. Yes, it is for business purposes, but you can also just install it as regular WhatsApp. There is a feature inside of it that will ask you if you will be using it for business and what type, or simply if you just want to use it normally. So this is how the welcome screen look, I should say. You can see the WhatsApp icon here with the B inside. So I'm just about to set up this other WhatsApp, and I have another phone here. Let me get the WhatsApp code. So I received this message here with the WhatsApp, and you can see WhatsApp for business with the 6-digit code. So I just put the code in and it is now verifying. Not now. So I'm gonna put a name. I'm going to put Lens. Yeah, and this is what I'm talking about, guys. It will ask you for category. So let's put show more options, right? It will ask you for business address, description, right? So you want to hit category. You want to agree with the terms of service, and then at the very top you can see not a business. So there are different sections that is categorized depending upon your business. So you want to click not a business, next, and there we have another WhatsApp on our phone. So it is that simple. And yeah, I just transfer one of my WhatsApp number to this device. So we now have two WhatsApp on our Samsung Galaxy smartphone. This is WhatsApp here, and we have another WhatsApp here. So this is how you can get two WhatsApp on the same phone. There are other ways of having two WhatsApp on one device, but this is the best way, and I recommend doing it this way. So I hope that this video was helpful and informative to some of you out there, and enjoy. Cheers. Download to WhatsApp. One of the things that I'm thinking about, what if you are getting a WhatsApp call from a new cell number, meaning a number that you don't have in your phone? When it pops up, then you will be wondering, if I get a call, which WhatsApp is it coming from? Would it actually specify that you are getting a call from which one of the WhatsApp, seeing that I currently have two WhatsApp installed? Let me go ahead and ring one of the WhatsApp and see what if it will ring normally or if it will specify, as we'll like to differentiate between the two numbers. So if a new number call, let's call and see. I'm calling. So wow, it ring as normally. Let me go ahead and just add another number to this phone and ring it. We need to just do these experiment to see what will happen. I'm telling you that we need to know the difference with the WhatsApp, as we want to know which one we are getting calls from, and it will be good if it can specify. So what I am going to do now, I am going to go and I'm going to call using a different number, which is the business WhatsApp number, and I'm going to look to see what is on the device. That is the big disadvantage there, but it's workable. I have the number from the same phone that I just called, but it's not specifying when it comes to call. So it will be difficult to differentiate if you are receiving calls, which one of the WhatsApp it is coming from. So that's the only disadvantage. Just want to let you know I'll be doing another update with this WhatsApp business and also WhatsApp Messenger. Yes, it's very hard to differentiate which call is coming from which WhatsApp, as you can have two different sets of numbers in both WhatsApp. So again guys, I hope that this video was helpful. The idea here is to have two WhatsApp, and we just achieve this in the video, and also this is how you can do it. Subscribe, hit the bell icon for my latest videos, and like this video, and also drop a comment down below if needed. I'm Lens, and I'm out.